Today we are checking the share PC. When I click the wait, this is not coming. This problem is showing. So you see, we are solve this problem easier way. So we are going to the PowerShell and right click and run as administrator. Click OK. Then you need to type here this one, set dash, or we are giving our description. Then paste here, click enter. Just need some time. Then default, just wait. Now we are checking this one is working or not. Yes, this one is working. Thank you.